Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to collect radish seeds and I'm going to sow them and I will show you the progress of those seeds. Radish are very easy to grow and basically I grew them this year in spring from seeds which I bought like from a shop, and this time I'm going to collect my own seeds. So these radish pods I harvested from the plants which I started in spring. I had a very good crop of radish. In fact, we couldn't manage to finish it all before it went to seed, so I let it go to seed, and basically then I harvested lots of radish pods and I cooked them fresh in curries, and some of them I let them dry. So you can see here they are fully dry now, and now I can harvest my seeds. So if you are interested in watching how the radish plants go to seed and how the radish pond looks like and what you can do with them, I have got a couple of videos on my channel. I will put the link in the description box so you can watch those videos to learn more about radish pods. So here I have got these radish pods fully dry, and as you can see I'm harvesting the radish seeds. So there are like 4 to 5 seeds per pod, and you can see these seeds are really tiny. This variety is Radish Saxa 2, and it is very fast maturing variety. You can harvest edible radishes after 3 to 4 weeks. So here you can see I have collected my radish seeds, and these are the empty radish pods which are fully dry, and you can put them in your compost pile. I'm going to sow them and then I will show you the progress of these seeds. So this is the end of August when I'm harvesting these seeds, and basically they will take like 3 to 4 weeks to be fully matured. So here is my raised bed where I have planted my cabbage seedlings, and there is lots of space available between cabbage seedlings. Cabbage seedlings will take some time to grow to bigger size, and I can use that time to grow my radish plants. So I'm going to spread my radish seeds here and there between the cabbage seedlings, so this way I can enhance the use of my space. So I can use the space to grow my radish crop which is fast maturing, and it will be ready before the cabbage seedlings take over and they will be nice and big. So here I'm just randomly spreading my radish seeds, and that's all. Basically they will germinate in 1 week or so, and then they will be fully mature to be harvested about 4 weeks from now on, which is the end of September. So I'll show you the progress. So this is after 1 week when I sowed my radish seeds, and you can see almost all of them have germinated. You can see tiny radish seedlings here and there, so there are plenty of them, which shows that the seeds which I harvested myself from my radish crop are viable, and you can grow radishes from your own harvested seeds. So this is after 3 weeks, and you can see the radishes are growing well. They are tiny but they are growing nicely, and soon they will be ready to harvest. So this is after 4 weeks when I'm going to pick my radishes. So you can see this is a nice sized radish, and I'm going to pick a few for the salad today, and I'm really pleased with how they have grown so quickly. These radishes are small in size, but they are absolutely delicious and taste even better if you pick them when they are really young. So they taste much sweeter. If you let them grow for longer, like 2 or 3 more weeks, then they get like more bitter. And if you let them go to seed, the radishes will go woody, so you can't eat them, but you can harvest the radish pods and you can let them dry, and you can harvest your own radishes. You can also use radish pods in lots of recipes, and I have got a recipe on my channel, so I will include the links in the description box so you can check out. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. You can also join my channel for extra perks. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.